So I'm open to be criticized. Saya open, you know. And
do you read the stuff, Tuanku? Tuanku baca tak benda-benda yang
sometimes not read all, tetapi of course we have a team that inform sentiment on the grounds and things like that. So sentimental punya studies, kita ada team yang monitor everything. Jadi I don't usually read all, but I think it is also important. Saya rasa mustahak untuk tahulah what is the current sentiment on the ground. And I mean itu adalah pandangan saya. Dan to be criticized, I've been criticized many times daripada ahli politik lah, dalam bola lah, macam-macam. And I'm very open. But like I said, what is right is right lah. So rakyat boleh menilai benda tu berdasarkan dengan fakta, bukan dengan cerita dongeng. Tetapi kalau ada orang nak dengar cerita dongeng lebih daripada fakta, then it's up to you.